welcome back to another Boxycharm premium unboxing. This one is the January question mark box. Yeah, we still don't know for sure if this is in fact actual January, but we're calling it the January box because I don't know for sure one way or the other, but we're gonna go with it and say it is. So might be, might not be. I don't know for sure. So anyway, in no particular order, we're just gonna dive in. Looks like we've got decent value for the premium box. Not the best I've ever seen, but it's decent. So first thing I'm picking up here is by Juice Beauty, and it's their bamboo pore refining mask. This is $36, believe it or not. And it says, clear and hydrate your skin at the same time with this pore refining mask. Help protect against maskne with bamboo, charcoal, and kaolin clay. Help detox, aspen bark to help smooth and hydrate, and exfoliating polyhydroxy acids for a softer, smoother complexion. All of which sounds awesome. Next, by Bare Minerals, and this might be the first thing I've ever owned by Bare Minerals, is their original Mineral Veil Loose Setting Powder. All the things I could have gotten, really, that's all. This is $27 for that little bitty thing, which is the main reason I've never actually owned Bare Minerals, because they expensive. So this is a skin-improving, weightless, and talc-free, big one there, mineral setting powder that extends makeup wear while blurring and minimizing the appearance of pores over time, which definitely is welcomed. Next, by LYS Beauty, this is the Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer, and this is $20 for this little thing. This daily serum primer helps balance and brighten the skin while controlling the appearance of excess shine throughout the day for a seamless complexion with or without makeup. It's packed with skincare ingredients for guilt-free beauty that feels as good as it looks. Okay, so the ones that are like that, I like to set aside for when I actually have a need to have like a grippy primer versus just a normal serum. Because usually I don't do a full face of makeup. I usually don't bother with foundation and all that. So I usually feel like it would be a waste, but sometimes I do it. In those cases, it's good for that. So from Aether Beauty, I don't know, we have the Desert Sunset Palette, and this is $48, and also the most expensive thing in this box. 10 shades in ultra matte shimmer, duochrome, and metallic finishes to create gorgeously glowing looks. Crystal charged pigment infused with amber powder helps to improve your glow by illuminating the skin with its light reflective properties. Formulated with organic coconut oil, shea butter, prickly pear seed oil, and moringa seed oil. Our names of the colors are Twilight, Desert Sand, Golden Hour, Sunrise, Desert Coral, Afterglow, Sunset, Sedona, Eternal, and I can't really read that last one because it's so dark, but maybe it'll say it inside the actual palette. I'm hoping, because I can't read it on top of an almost black shade. Ooh. Oh, cool. It looks like a tarot card. Tenacious is the lioness in the face of oppression, unfaltering in conviction and clout. That is cool. I like that. Okay, so let's see. Does it say what that other color name was? It sadly does not. Let me try one more time to read it. Mesquite. I should have known it'd be something like that. Oh, it's another one of these where it's kind of like, can you see the angles on it? It's not flat. It's like pointed right here and right here. Like it's all angular. It's not just printed on there, it's actually raised. I have one other one by them that's like that. Since there's no mirror in it, I can just hold it up. Look how pretty these are. This is actually very ideal for the part of the year we're in right about now. So, you may need to do that one sooner than later, because frankly, those are some really good shades. Come on. Okay. Next, by Persona Cosmetics, we have a lip liner. $14. Line, define, and shape your lips with this creamy and blendable lip liner. Formulated with jojoba oil and hydrogenated cottonseed oil for an effortless glide-on application to help create the perfect canvas for long-lasting lip color. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan. Does it really give us a color? Like, it shows a little circle and a number, but it's the same color as the bag, so should it be assumed that the lip liner is the color of this bag? Question mark? I'm actually going to keep that sealed for now until we review it at a later date. I'm not doing that tonight, so I'm just going to keep that in there. I think this... Let me double check. Check on here too. I think this is our last item. Yeah, it is. So this is by the brand Wishful. And it is their Clean Genie Cleansing Butter, which I think this was my choice item, and of course I had to pick it because it made me think of David Bowie's Jean Genie, which is probably exactly what they were going for. This is $35. It's a cleansing butter infused with green tea and cherry blossom extract to melt away makeup and impurities while keeping the skin feeling soft and supple instead of greasy and dry. Which, again, sounds awesome. So that is what I got in this box. All good stuff. I don't think there's anything in there I'm disappointed with. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more is all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.